Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hindi with Hindvi. Hindi with Hindvi. Today we're gonna learn the second letter from the Hindi alphabet. So let's learn together. Today's Hindi letter is A. This letter is called A. So can you say it with me? A, A, A. Now let's learn how to say A correctly. So when we say A, our mouth has to be opened widely, like this. It sounds like A in father. Now watch my mouth. A. Now you try again. A. Now we'll learn how to write A. So first, make a big half circle all the way like this. Then make another half circle all like this. Then make a line. Then make another line like this. And this like otherwise an O. Then make the same line but close to it. Then make the same line like this but bigger. Okay? Done. Here are some Hindi words that starts with A. Means mango. Repeat with me. Atta means flower. Atta. Akash means sky. Let's say all the words together. A se am. A se atta. A se akash. Great job! So today we have learned the Hindi letter A. How to say it, how to write it, and some words that start with A. Now remember, we have a homework. Find some things around you that start with A. And also write A 5 times. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In the next video, we're going to learn the letter E. Bye-bye. See you soon.